Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing team members template slide in PowerPoint in just 2 minutes. So let's begin. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's begin. First of all, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is go to the format background and use a dark color for the background fill. And then you're gonna insert a title and you're gonna give it middle alignment, and then you have to put it into the middle and insert a straight line just below it and put it into the center, and then you have to change its color to white, and then insert a rectangle just below it and you have to change its color to white and increase its transparency. Next, insert a circle of same height and width of 10 centimeter, change its color to yellow, and then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and then decrease its size. And then you have to insert an image in that small circle. This have to be the image of the team members, one of the team members. And let's just increase its size and then adjust it. Duplicate these shapes and then put them right next to the first ones. And the next thing we're going to do is change the image and the color of the shapes. Similarly, what we're going to do is just crop this image and then duplicate the shapes and then insert a last third image of a different team member in this circle. Here you go. Let's change the color of the circle and then send it to the back. Select all of these and align them to the middle and the center. And the next thing you're going to do is just put them and align them and select all of them and move them upwards. Next, insert a text box which describes the name of the person, and where I'll just duplicate the text box and then change its color to the same as the circles, and then let's insert the content text that describes the personality or the like the work of these members. Let's put this text right here and you have to increase the line spacing. Here you go. Insert a small triangle and you have to like rotate it like this and change its color to the same circle that it is placed next to. So as I'm gonna place these right next to the red ones, so I'll just change their color to red. Similarly, let's just duplicate them and put them right on above and below the blue circles as well. So we'll change their color to blue, and here you go. So the template is complete, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.